Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're excited to explore how to use Oracle HCM Visual Builder Studio to edit the Redwood pages. Why is it necessary to edit the Redwood pages in Oracle? The default Redwood pages include all the general details that you might need. When we deploy our instance in an organization, the organization often has new requirements. These are new specific rules tailored for unique scenarios. For instance, let's consider the case of adding a pending worker. In the process of adding a pending worker, the customer typically doesn't require any passport information or other details. However, they might need those details later. They will provide the necessary information once the pending worker is converted to an employee. So, during the addition of a pending worker, that information may not be required. If you take a look at the Add a Pending Worker Redwood page, you'll notice that passport info and all the options are available. For adding new users, if the employee selects those options, it can become confusing. Therefore, our plan is to hide the passport info section from the Add Pending Worker screen. To do this, first, select the user here, then click Edit Page in Visual Builder Studio. Once you do that, you will be directed to a screen where the UI and other available options are displayed. To modify the screen, you'll need to select Configure Fields and Regions here. Clicking on this will take you to the corresponding screen. I've already opened these screens because it would save us time during the demo. Next, we need to add a form rule on this page. I have added a form rule named Test Business Rule, and in the description, I noted to hide the passport info page and display the blood group and personal details. By default, we can see that the passport info page shows the default value as optional, visible, and editable. Within this editor, we can change these values. I have already made this selection so that we can proceed smoothly. It's important to note that I currently changed this passport info page to hidden. You can achieve this by clicking on it and selecting the hidden option here. On the Personal Details page, I plan to display the blood type. Currently, the blood type value is marked as hidden and optional. I am making it visible here. We've implemented those changes. Now we need to verify whether my changes have been applied. There are two options for this. One option is a preview feature. You can select this option to preview here. Once we're satisfied with the preview, we can proceed to publish the changes. By publishing the changes, the data will be saved in GitHub and reflected in the deployed instance. Keep in mind, this is just a preview page. Here, you can see that the passport info page is no longer available for selection, and the blood type option is visible. We are providing these services. Thank you for watching this video.